Architect Frank Lloyd Wright designed almost 1,200 homes, public buildings, and city plans. More than half of those works remain unbuilt, their designs captured only in models or 2D plans. Thanks to Spanish architect and 3D artist David Romero, 3 of these works are more visible to the public than ever before. Wright was famously critical of dense cities in 1956. He designed 528-story, 18 million square foot steel-framed skyscraper for Broadacre City. His concept planned for a car-centric, low-density urban area. The Illinois was modeled on a tree with 4 cantilevered, wing-like buttresses anchored by a subfloor that extended 15 stories below ground. In a very alpha-era flourish, Wright envisioned the building's 100,000 occupants circulating in 76 atomic-powered 5-story elevators that will move on a mile per minute. Sticking to Chicago's projects, Romero also visualized the National Life Insurance Building, a heavily ornamented 25-story tower on North Michigan Avenue that pays tribute to skyscraper daddy and Wright mentor Louis Sullivan. Wright designed the copper-paneled glass curtain wall structure for his client Albert M. Johnson, the then president of National Life Insurance. In late 1940, a group of developers tapped Wright to design a mixed-use greenfield development in Washington, D.C. for the project known as Crystal City. Wright planned a series of buildings ranging in height from 140 to 260 feet, arranged in dramatic U-shape that would host apartments, shopping, a hotel, a theater, and parking garage. Wright planned the complex without regard for the city's strict height and use limits. One factor that led the National Capital Park and Planning Commission to the veto the project. Wright's skyscraper, the Price Tower, is also one of only 2 Wright's structures to have a vertical orientation, the other being the Johnson Wax Research Tower. The inspiration for the old pipeline firm's tower in a country town was an unrealized 1925 proposal of Wright's for a New York City apartment building called St. Mark's Tower. Wright described the design as a tree-like mast support by a central trunk of 4 elevator shaft anchored by a deep central foundation. The Price Tower's 19 concrete floors cantilever like branches of a tree. Freed from their load-bearing function, the exterior walls become ornamental screen decorated in patinated copper lips and gold tint glass. The materials for the Price Tower were equally innovative for the era: cast concrete walls, pigmented concrete floors, and aluminum-trimmed windows and doors. The Price Tower completely changed the horizon of Oklahoma Prairie Town. Purchased in 1981 by Phillips Petroleum, the Price Tower Arts Center now includes a museum, hotel, and bar. The inn at Price Tower occupies 7 of the upper floors of the Wright skyscraper. Frank Lloyd Wright designed the Johnson Wax offices as a forest open to the sky. Mushroom-shaped columns, Pyrex skylights, and earthy-colored furnishings feature in Frank Lloyd Wright's Johnson Wax headquarters, which is next in series of architects' most important project, also known for the Johnson Wax Administration Building. Wright designed the building in his organic architectural style with references to natural forms. This is exemplified in the main open-plan office space, which is often described as forest, called the Great Room. The double-height space features tree-like columns that sprout from 9-inch diameter bases and widen to create lily-pad-shaped concrete tops. Skylights made of Pyrex tubing are set between the pads to offer a diffuse lighting effect above the canopy. The American architect also used the Pyrex glass tubing to create wall dividers inside the building. He also designed all the furnishing, selecting ready tones that took cues from natural earthy hues. Thanks for watching this video till the end.